So dear friends, today we learn the third point of direct indirect speech, and that is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. So my dear friends, before we start the lesson, first of all we discuss about what is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence means to start the sentence with verb. Okay, when you see the sentence using by verb, and there are different kind of expression, we can see that we can see the different kind of sentences also. For some of the sentences are about warn, requested, threatened, instructed. In short, the sentence use or starts by verb, that is imperative sentence. So dear friend, in imperative sentence, we all of you know that the first of all speaker comes, after that reporting verb, and then listener. Then as a conjunction we can use to or not to. After that main verb. When we use to, when the sentence is affirmative, at that time we can use to. Or suppose the sentence is about negative, for example, open the door, that's the affirmative, so we use to open the door. Don't open the door, that is negative sentence, so we can write not to open the door. Write a lesson, so how can we make the sentence? To write a lesson. Don't write a lesson, then not to write a lesson. At that time we have to remove do or don't or doesn't. Okay, and another thing is that it is not necessary to change in the tenses. It is very easy topic, dear friends. You have to change only the pronoun and time and place. Okay, so reporting verb. As a reporting verb, there are different kind of sentences. For example, requested, order, commanded, advise, warn, or ask or told. Suppose you don't know the meaning or expression of the sentence, at that time you can use ask or told. Okay, so here there are different kind of reporting verb, so we have to use from this one. Use conjunction in positive, to plus main verb. Use conjunction in negative, not to plus main verb, that we already discussed about that. Do not change the tense. My dear friends, here you should not use or change the tense. You have to change only the pronouns and time and place. So let's see example. Kush said to his sister, please help me in my way. So you can see that the sentence start by verb. So when you see the please words, at that time you can write here Kush requested his sister. Speaker and listener complete, and then use conjunction to, and we remove please. Why? Because we write here requested. Please means requested. To help, so you can see that to plus main verb, to plus main verb, to help. Now me is used for kus, I, me, he, him, to help him in, I, me, my. So he, him, his, kus, to help him in his way. Okay, that is imperative sentence. Now next, the teacher said to Raj, go to the market and buy a file. Now dear friends, you can see here, go to the market, go is verb, so that is imperative sentence. So go to the market and buy a file. What is the expression? You can see that order. Very good. Suppose you don't know the expression, then at that time you can use ask. For example, I will show you. The teacher order, ask Raj. Okay, you can write like this. The teacher order or ask Raj. What is the conjunction? To. Go to the market and buy a file. That's a very simple. Understood? Now, the colonel said to soldiers, go ahead. The colonel always, what is the expression? Commanded. The colonel always command the soldiers. So the colonel commanded. Suppose you don't know, then you can write as soldiers. Okay, commanded and soldiers, that is affirmative sentence. Then to go ahead, to go ahead. Next, the grandmother said to a child, don't go near that dog. Don't go, that is negative sentence. Now the grandmother said to a child, don't go near the dog, means warn. Yeah, the grandmother warned. Yeah, if you don't understand, then write ask a child. The grandmother warned or asked a child. Don't, so we can use not to, that is not to. Then main verb, what is the main verb? Go. Not to go near that dog. Okay, the grandmother warned or asked a child not to go near that dog. Next, Shyam said to me, don't cheat me. So Shyam warned. Yeah, you can write ask me. Not to cheat me. Me means Shyam. Shyam means I, me, he, him. Okay, understood? Now you have to remember only one thing, is that you use to or not to as the conjunction and don't change the tense. Clear? Okay, let's see example. Exercise. The teacher said to the boys, open your notebook. Open your notebook. The teacher always order the students. So the teacher order the boys to open your. So you is used for boys, they, them, their books. My mother said to me, please get me some onion. Please, that means requested. My mother requested me to get, remove use, please, to get me, I, me, mother, she, her, some onions. Okay, understood? Now you can write this in your notebook. So dear friends, let's see the next sentence. The officer said to me, don't go till 6 o'clock. Here you can see that the negative sentence. So don't go till 6 o'clock means what kind of expression can you see here? Don't go till 6 o'clock. Warn, threaten, instructed, what? Warn. Okay. So the officer warned. Yeah, you can write ask me. Okay, the officer warned or asked me, sentence is over. Then don't, so we can use not to go till 6 o'clock. The sentence complete. Next, the mother said to the child, don't open the door. So the mother warned, asked the child. Okay, sentence complete. After that, don't open the door. So not to open the door. Clear? Now the visitor said to the clerk, please show me the manager's cabin. So the visitors please, that means requested. The visitor requested the clerk. We remove please, then to show me, that means visitor, that means he, so I, me, he, him. The manager's cabin. The farmer said to Magan, feed the chickens. So the farmer ordered Yeah, you can write ask Magan feed the chickens. So to feed the chickens. Okay. Next, the traffic police said to me, stop the car here. So the traffic police order, yeah, asked me to stop the car here. So we can use here, there. Okay. Next, the principal said to the teacher, keep your register in your drawer. So keep your register in your drawer. Order, yeah, instruct. So the principal instructed, yeah, you can write ask the teacher to keep your register, keep your, so teacher, he, him, his register in his drawer. Okay. The doctor said to the passenger, take rest for at least a week. Doctor always advise the patient. So doctor advise the passenger to take rest for at least a week. Okay. Next, my friend said to me, don't use my mobile. So my friend order, yeah, ask me not to use his mobile. Okay, dear friends, so we have completed here 10 sentences. So I hope that all of you got the point. It is very easy. If you understand the imperative sentence, then it is very easy for you to learn let and let's sentence. Okay. So first of all, I request to all of you, just write it down in your notebook so that whenever you have a problem, you can see that. Okay. Thank you.